If your Sunbeam electric blanket is showing an F1 error, it means the system has detected a poor electrical connection. This is actually a built-in safety feature designed to prevent overheating or electrical hazards. The error usually happens when there's a connection issue between three main parts: the blanket itself, the control cord, and the power plug. To fix it, start with a full reset. Unplug the blanket from the wall outlet completely. Then, disconnect the control cord from the blanket by firmly gripping both sides of the connector and pulling them apart. Leave everything unplugged for about 15 to 30 minutes. This waiting period allows the internal safety circuits to discharge and reset fully. After that, reconnect the control cord securely, making sure it clicks into place, then plug the blanket back into the outlet and turn it on. In most cases, this clears the F1 error immediately. If the error remains, inspect all connection points carefully. Look for bent pins, loose wiring, dirt, or visible damage. Test the wall outlet with another device to confirm it's supplying power. You can also try adjusting the heat settings to ensure the controller is responding properly. For advanced troubleshooting, checking the terminal block with a multimeter may be necessary, but this should only be done if you're comfortable working with electrical components. If the F1 error still persists, contact Sunbeam customer support or consider replacement, especially if your blanket is over 5 to 10 years old.